situation has worsened in the state of Madhya Pradesh with over 7,000 people evacuated from several districts in the state. In fact, earlier Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister had held a high-level meeting after also conducting an aerial survey of the worst affected districts. The Indian Air Force has been called in to carry out the rescue operation in certain parts. Hundreds of people who have been displaced have now been shifted to almost 170 relief camps in the state. Let's first look at those updates coming in, and this is from the Chhindwara area where rain-related incidents has wreaked havoc as many areas in the Chhindwara area continues to remain flooded. The visuals there coming in from Chhindwara were of the Indian Air Force, who was seen rescuing the stranded villagers with the help of a Mi-17 chopper. The residents had to be shifted after their village was in fact submerged underwater. Similar rescue operations were seen in Madhya Pradesh's Sihor area. Close to 25 people were rescued by the Indian Air Force choppers from the Somalwada village and were then later taken to respective relief camps. A biker was washed away because of the heavy flow of the rainwater. The locals and the policemen came to his rescue in Bhopal. The visuals there are of the cops and the locals who gathered to save the biker. They can be seen pulling the biker against the flow of the water with the help of ropes. In fact, flood fury in Madhya Pradesh has increased to a level where the flood water entered the Chirayu hospital in Bhopal as well. The water level of the nearby Bada Talab increased due to incessant rains, leading to floods in the area.
Yeah, absolutely. For last 2 or 3 days, it has been continuously raining and heavily it's raining, and many parts of Madhya Pradesh is completely inundated in the flood water, and rescue operation is still continues. And I just tell you one thing, right this moment I'm talking to you, CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan is inspecting number of districts in Madhya Pradesh where the condition of flood is really not sound, and that is why thousands of people are stranded in various parts of Madhya Pradesh, and it's being told that hundreds of people have been rescued, evacuated from those places where they were stranded. But one thing is that we can understand, which is quite unfortunate, that 8 lives have been lost in this heavy rain due to the heavy rain in various parts of Madhya Pradesh, and hundreds of people are still stranded, and aerial rescue operation is also going on. Number of disturbing pictures are coming. If we talk about Bhopal here, the biggest COVID center of Madhya Pradesh, Chirayu Hospital, is completely inundated with the water came from the pond of Bhopal, and a number of lives also we have lost, and this is the official data that they are telling, but that number may be more than that of, and the rescue operation in Chhindwara is also going on. But one thing is good, that since morning today, the rain has stopped there in Bhopal, but it's still the rescue operation is going on and the mission is still not over.
Meanwhile, the flood situation continues to remain grim in Odisha as well, where 2 men were rescued from the Brahmani river in the Denkanal district of Odisha by the locals and the firemen. The men went to take bath in the river water and were washed away. In fact, the district firemen had to conduct a rescue operation on the boats. The local villagers pitched in and with the rescue efforts as well. In a separate incident in Odisha, a pregnant woman was rescued by the district administration with the help of rescue team from the flood-affected village in Jaipur.